Hello and welcome all of you. I am Dr. Sanaullah Khan, a dedicated acupuncture specialist in traditional Chinese medicine and holistic healing practices. My passion lies in helping individuals to achieve optimal health and balance through natural methods. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you where you will explore a profound world of acupressure and its transformative benefits by curing any disease with a management of one or two acupressure points. Today we are going to discuss about how to cure
Common cold. Common cold is a viral respiratory infection affecting the nose and the throat, typically caused by rhinoviruses. It is highly contagious, spreading through airborne droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or by touching contaminated surfaces and then touching the face. Symptoms include a runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, coughing, sneezing, mild body aches, fatigue, and sometimes a low-grade fever. Symptoms usually appear 1 to 3 days after exposure and last for about a week, though they can persist longer in some cases. While generally mild, the common cold can lead to complications like sinusitis or ear infections, particularly in those with weakened immune systems or underlying health issues. Acupoints recommended to cure this condition is GB20 and DU14. GB20 acupoint is located on the nape below the occipital bone on the level of DU16, whereas DU14 acupoint is located on the posterior midline in the depression below the 7th cervical vertebra. One can also apply pressure with the help of sharp, rounded small stick or even with the help of a pencil tip which is round. Apply pressure gently with press and release technique for at least 3 to 4 minutes twice a day until the condition improves and is get cured.
Thank you very much for being part of this session on acupressure and its profound impact regarding restoring balance and promoting healing. I hope the insights shared today have enhanced your understanding of this ancient practice and its benefits. If you have any question or wish to explore this topic further, feel free, reach out the comments and contact me directly. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to stay updated in future discussions about holistic health and power of acupressure. Wishing you harmony and wellness until our next sessions. Take care of yours. Very good by yourself.